This is Mama's. This is Mama's special time. Have to do is just plug in your Kenzie handset, turn the green power button on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Makeup Monday. I am here today with a brand new video and I am super excited to finally share this with you guys, and I have her right here. I've been so excited. I've had to keep her in for quite a while now, it feels like, and I wanted to review it. I wanted to try it out before I even did like a full video review on it for you, and I have, and I'm really excited to talk about that today in today's video with you guys. But I firstly did want to say happy birthday to Mia and Sophia. They just turned 1 year old yesterday, you guys. My heart is just, I'm so full of just love and pure just happiness right now. So I just wanted to film this and get this video up for you because I have been dying to share it with you. But definitely show them some love. Say happy birthday down in the comments section. I would love that. But I am going to roll right into today's video because I wanted to do a little bit of a demo with you. I wanted to talk about it, and it's been a while now that I've kept it in, so finally I can talk about it. And I am just really excited, and it's kind of ironic because I've been talking to you guys about how badly I've wanted my hair to grow back. In this video, I'm going to be saying the complete opposite. So it's kind of funny how that works that way. But yeah, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe now. Also give this video a thumbs up, and let's roll right into today's video. And it was a few months ago that Kenzie actually contacted me telling me about their IPL system and the handset, and to see if I was interested in working with them. And at that time, it was really funny because I was looking for getting laser hair removal done, and I've wanted to for a while now actually, and it's just been about finding the time, and I have no time. I have no time, you guys, and it's really hard to leave the house for me. So when I heard handset, I was all for it because I've seen them online, I've seen them on YouTube, and I've never tried one, so I wanted to see if it actually worked. So I'm really happy today because I'm going to be talking about my results and if it worked for me, and how it came in the mail and everything like that, because I always like knowing that and seeing how things come. And yeah, so that is what we're doing in today's video. And I also, you would have seen that video that I had uploaded when I talked about my hair condition. So that is another thing that I thought I would mention, is my alopecia is still here, my hair loss is still here. And you guys probably know, if you've watched my last video, I've still been trying to grow my hair back, and I'm still using my spray. So one thing that is not in my favor when I use my hair, my special spray that I have, which is actually a steroid stimulant spray, it actually gives me a lot of hair growth, and not hair growth where, you know, just in my spots, but everywhere. So that is the only downfall for it, and that is why I wanted to kind of get into laser hair removal, so I don't have to shave my legs every day. I don't have to, you know, like my hairline too, I tried to, what is the thing called? I used to use the little like Forever 21 hair removal tools. I don't even remember what they're called, like the little dollar ones. So I used to do that all the time because my hair would grow. When I use the spray, I do have my hair grow in my forehead area. So it has been a long journey, you guys, and I honestly have to say, ever since I've used this, it has been changing my life, and my hair is not growing back as thick anymore. And I've actually only used it, I think it's 4 times that I've used it. I've used it for a month, and I use it once a week. So I have already started to notice a difference. I think it says you have to use it a few months consistently to see a really big difference, but they do suggest that you use it once a week for the first few months. So that's what I've been doing, and they have different settings on it too, so you can do like a lower setting if you have more sensitive skin, or you can do like the higher setting. So I've just had it on the lower setting actually, because I do have like sensitive skin, especially like in my armpit area as well. So yeah, that has been my journey, and something that I haven't really disclosed or talked about here on YouTube. And I think for me, like, I don't want my husband to have thinner hair than me, you know, like I don't have to shave my legs every single day, which I've been doing, and my hair has just been really thick, and it's because I've been trying to get my hair to grow back, and you know, I have to use the spray. I can't not use the spray. So this has been really helping me, and ever since they contacted me, I was really excited because their product really does work, you guys, and I would not be doing this video if it didn't. And I'm just really happy because this is an at-home system. This is something you can use at home, and especially for moms. I know how busy you are and you don't always have time to leave. You don't have time to go for treatments consistently, and to do this at home, it takes just a few minutes. It is so easy to use. It actually surprised me on how quick and easy and seamless it is to use at home. So I really highly recommend using this if you are looking to invest into something you can use at home. And I mean, honestly, spending $200 or spending thousands of dollars, it just makes a lot more sense. And if you want to go to a salon and get that done and spend thousands of dollars, that is fine. Like if you know somebody that does something, does a good job at it, then you know. But if you want to do it at home, save some money, have something that works, then definitely try in the Kenzie, because I'm telling you, it has worked for me. And I actually watched a ton of videos on it too, because I wanted to kind of see, you know, before, when I have companies that want to work with me, I do definitely like to do some research first to see if it works. And once I've heard like really great reviews from Kenzie, and then now having my own personal review and seeing that it did work for me is amazing. So I was just very excited to do this video because I don't do a lot of sponsored videos. So yeah, so the two areas that I have done already are the armpits, and then I've also done my forehead as well. I haven't done my whole face yet. I have seen a lot of people do their entire face. So I just wanted to really target one area to see if I could see results. And I have. My hair has not grown back as thick, and it's awesome. I'm just really happy about it because it definitely was something I was a little self-conscious about, and I still find it so ironic because I've just been talking about how badly I want my hair to grow back, but it's all been in the wrong places. So I think I'm gonna try out my neck or my legs next, because that is the next spot I want to try, because my leg hair grows very quickly and it's very black. So I'm gonna do that next. If you want to see another video on that, then definitely let me know. But in today's video, I did want to show you like what my armpits look like, and then also I'm not sure if you can see my forehead, but I have no hair. I have no hair right in this area right here as well, which that area has been really bad. I'm not sure if you could see in my older videos or the last like few months, but I did have like a lot of hair in this section, like peach fuzz, and that is a part of having to take my steroid spray. So I have to say, this little gem right here I have been so in love with, and I thought I would demo it a little bit to show you how I've been using it like in my washroom, and I've been using it consistently, and I'm so excited to see how it's going to work for the next few months, because I heard it gets even better the more you use it. And I honestly just love how small this is. I was thinking it was going to be a lot larger. It's really tiny. It's really nice and tiny and lightweight. So I just have been really impressed overall how easy it is to use, because I don't have time to use something that is going to take a while or is difficult to use. By any means, I do not have time for that. And it's just very easy, and it's just a super nice little handheld that you guys can take anywhere. I'm trying to go somewhere really bright so you guys can see, but I have no hair like right in this area, and it's amazing. This has probably been like this for, I want to say, a week now, and it's so little. I was having to use that little tool about once every second day. That's how quickly it was growing. So now I hardly have any, and it's been over a week now. Like massive, massive results in the forehead, I have to say. I am excited to do the rest of my face actually, because the results I've had on my forehead are awesome. I also want to say, from being like barefaced now in my videos, I used to not even be able to do a video without makeup, you guys, to now showing you my armpits, doing hair removal at home, and also talking about my hair, showing you my hair. It is just awesome, I think, how far this channel has grown, but then also how I feel so much more comfortable with you guys and opening up about things, because it's so common. People go through the same things, and it's just nice that we can go through these things together. Aha, I just found that little hair tool that I was talking about. So this is what I was using before on my forehead to get rid of like peach fuzz and everything like that. I still use it. I also use it with the handheld. So I definitely have noticed a difference though when using the handheld over just using this, because my hair was growing so fast. I probably had to use this every second day. So like I said, it has made a huge difference because it hardly grows back now. This is what it looks like right now, and look at how little the hairs are. They're like not even there. I do have a scar on my armpit, so if you were wondering like what that was, it is a scar. But like so little hair, it's crazy. And I'm used to having really thick black hair that I do not like. And I probably, before using the IPL, I probably shaved my armpits every day or every second day. I usually would let them just like be a little hairy if I was wearing like a long sleeve or something, or like a sweater. But in the summer, obviously it's a lot harder. So I probably was shaving my armpits about every day. And since we are in my washroom, I thought I would quickly show you guys where it is situated. So I actually have it with all of my skincare and it fits perfectly. Like I said, it's a small handheld and it has just become my little gem. And I've just been setting my alarm in my phone. So once a week on every Monday, I've been using it. I remind myself, but I can also see it every time I'm in my washroom, and I remind myself that way to use it. So you just have to be consistent with it and you guys will see results. But I just love having it in my washroom out on display. So a few things it says to do before using it is shave any visible hair before use, and also ensure your skin is completely clean and dry, so there's like no creams or oils in contact with the Kenzie handset. So I didn't have to demo it, but I just thought it would make a lot more sense showing you guys like how I do it, and also it just make it a little bit easier showing you guys the directions of like how to properly use it so you see your full results. So the first thing you have to do is just plug in your Kenzie handset, turn the green power button on, super easy. So there are the blue lights on the front that I showed you guys where you can actually change the settings from 1 being the lowest to 5, which is the highest. They do say to achieve your best results that you do want to be using 5 for the intense level, but like I said, I have sensitive skin, so I didn't start at that, and I've just been using about 3. But you can, you know, warm your way up there. You don't have to use level 5 at the beginning, but like I said, you do want to see results. So all you guys have to do is press the pulse button to treat the area. If it is your face that you're doing, if it's your legs, you're just going to put it on that area, and then you're going to go over it 3 times on maximum. So 1, 2, 3, super easy. And then right after you've used it, you want to unplug it, obviously, like you would anything using a hair blower, hair dryer, straightener, you would do the same thing. So super easy. That is all you guys have to do. Like I said, I've been doing this consistently for the past month and I've already seen results, so I can't imagine the results I will have over the next few months. So like with anything else, you definitely want to be patient, you want to be consistent when using it, and you guys will see results like I have. And it's just that easy, that awesome. And honestly, I do not know why I did not invest into something like this sooner. It honestly has made my life so much easier, and especially having twins, it just made no sense to keep going to appointments. And even when I thought about it, I'm like, it's expensive, but how the heck am I gonna have time to go do that? And this has just been so nice for me, you guys, and I'm so happy that I finally got to do this video because I've been dying to share it with you. I'm actually able to get up very close over here, so yes, I have to get my brows done. They're a little hairy right now, but like I said, I did my entire forehead area, and look how good it worked. Like, I see no hair and it has not grown back in a while now, and this entire area right here is usually pretty hairy, and I can usually actually see the hairs, so it is hardly grown back at all, you guys, and it's making such a big difference. I feel so much better. And next I'm planning to do my entire face, so I'm getting very close and personal with you guys, but I'm gonna do the rest of my face. So if you want to see results, definitely go on my Instagram. I'm sure I'll be telling you guys about it there as well and giving you guys updates. So that was my entire review of the Kenzie hair removal system. And you guys, to have an IPL system at home now where I don't have to leave, I don't have to go get treatments done, is a miracle. It is honestly something that I have been wanting to do for a while now, and I'm just happy that it worked. I'm just really happy it worked, and then I'm putting up this video and I can tell you guys about it. And I also have a coupon code, so if you guys want to use my coupon code, it'll be linked in my bio so you guys can save even more money than the original cost itself. I totally think it is worth investing into because it's going to save you a lot of money in the end. because you actually have to go for a lot of appointments to see any results. So I definitely love having this. I'm sure you guys will see me because I want to use it consistently. I will probably be traveling with it too on all our trips that I have planned. I'm actually going back to Vancouver for my birthday. Super excited. So I am going to be consistent with it so I can see even more results. But super thankful, and thank you, Kenzie, for sending me this and also sponsoring today's video. I am so excited to work with you, and especially after seeing how awesome your product is. So really happy about that. I am going to go back downstairs. We are going to feed baby girls and celebrate their birthday even more. And also, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel here, make sure to subscribe. I have Makeup Monday and Fashion Friday videos. Also, head on over to that vlog channel because our vlogs are just getting even better now that the girls are 1. They're so active. They're doing so much now. It's exciting for me. I just hope I can keep up with everything and juggling everything, but it's been a lot of fun. So I just wanted to say thank you guys again for all the love and support. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Of course, I will see you guys on Fashion Friday.